Hey guys, this is my new best friend, the Shark AI robot vacuum. I am completely obsessed. I was not expecting to love it this much. This thing has incredible suction. And if I have stuff on the floor, which I have kids, so I always do, it goes around those things. Look at the perfect little pattern. Now for my favorite part. It empties itself. It's so cool. This base holds up to 30 days of dirt. It has a HEPA filter, so it traps in all the dust and allergens. So you just pull out this bin, click this latch, and all the dirt, dust, hair comes out into your dustbin. This was about 4 or 5 days worth, which is a little bit embarrassing, but this is awesome. Okay, my second favorite part is you can control everything from an app. The first time it goes, it maps out your entire house, and then you can name different areas, and you can even set up like no-go zones where you don't want it to go. You can choose specific rooms and do eco clean, normal, or max cleaning, or you can choose matrix clean for like one specific area. You can even do spot cleaning, so if you like spill something in the kitchen and you want it to clean it up, you can just set up spot clean, and it'll take about 10 minutes and clean only that spot. You can set up schedules. You can even link it with Alexa. This has become my favorite household item. It makes me feel a little lazy and maybe a little spoiled, but I don't care. Give it a try. You'll love it.